Wishing Pinky a full recovery and lots of blessings. Now it's time for the Intense 5. Big up to Massacre, who recently inked his deal with Def Jam and released his first single, Pieces, with Jashi. Well deserved. Massacre to the world. Popular actor Bruce Willis has been diagnosed with dementia, his family recently reported. Such a great actor, sending him lots of prayers. Pharrell just added a new title to his already growing list. He's now the creative director for Louis Vuitton menswear. His first collection will debut in June at Paris Fashion Week. I cannot wait. Riri at the Super Bowl. Wow, wow, wow. She reeled off hit after hit after hit. Couple times I was waiting to see someone else join her on stage, but no, just she one on the dance of them in a white and the little baby bump. Congrats, Riri. And finally holding the spot this week, not only did she perform like the true superstar she is, Riri told the entire world that she's pregnant again. ASAP, him not joke. Plus, they did a really sweet spread for British Vogue that included the baby, whose name we still don't know. Oh well, enough love, Riri. That's it for the Intense 5 tonight. Follow us on IG at TVJ Intense for the latest in entertainment. Up next, Fras Khalifa talks to Richie Rich. Intense soon forward.